Hi, and today we are going to do some Chanel cupcakes. And for this we will need 6 cupcakes, a little Chanel template that I've made out of some greaseproof paper. I got the template off of Google and just traced it onto the paper. And some buttercream, some black and some white fondant. And I'm gonna do this differently. I'm gonna start by making the toppers first and then ice the cupcakes. So for this, we're going to roll out some black fondant. I'm quickly going to knead this first, and then I'm going to take some of my corn flour and I'm just going to pop it on, and then I'm going to clean my hands. I clean my hands because I don't really want too much of the the corn flour going onto my icing. And then we're just going to roll this out. You will get a little bit of the corn flour on the icing, please don't worry. And every time I turn and do the next roll, I always clean my rolling pin. So we've done that. The next step is to get a cutter. For this, we're going to use the flour side of our cutter, and we're just going to place like that. And then I'm going to get my Chanel template. Just going to roll that down a little bit more, and we're going to cut 3 out for the black. We are going to make some white cake toppers with this as well, but while we've got the black out, and saves us rolling again, we should just cut these out now. Please do not worry if it goes a little bit skew-whiff, we can always tidy up later on. I'm going to pop this off. So there you can see we have our Chanel logos already done. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take some white, and we're going to do exactly the same with the white. So first of all, I'm just going to knead it into shape. I'm going to take some of my corn flour. I'm not going to bother with wiping my hands this time because it's white on white and it's not going to show. And then I'm going to roll out. Then I'm going to cut our little toppers out, like so. And then I'm going to just roll it a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more thinner. I'm going to trim this bit down. And then we're going to cut out our Chanel logos again. And you get the idea that the black will go on the black and the white ones will go on the white. The black will go on the white and the white ones will go on the black. Okay, and our next step then is to ice our cupcakes up. So I filled up our piping bag and we are using a 2D piping nozzle. I'm just going to set these to one side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make our rose shape like so. Doesn't matter if it doesn't go all to the edge. We're going to get our water and our little paintbrush and we're just going to mark some of that with some water, and we're just going to pop our Chanel on the top, and then we're going to pick up our little bit and we're just going to pop it onto our cupcake like so. And again, just a bit of water, you don't need a lot. And obviously you could make these toppers a bit bigger if you wish. So there you have our Chanel cupcakes. So I hope you liked our Chanel cupcakes. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button on below. Also, don't forget to click the bell. That will let you know of any notifications that we put on our YouTube channel page. You can also find us at Facebook and Instagram at Cake Decorating with Danielle. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And thanks for watching.